Hi, this is Spencer from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill and truck number 0022. It is a 2019 GMC Savana 3500 with a 139-inch wheelbase. It is a 2-wheel drive. The engine is a 6-liter V8 gas. Overall length is 251 inches. Overall height is 103 inches. And headroom is 65 inches. This truck has less than 200 miles on it. It is a McCoy Miller with new paint, new latches, new gaskets, new wheel and siren and wheel and speakers, and new LEDs. In the cab, you'll see the console as well as the siren speaker head. Here is L1 for oxygen. In L2, we have a Dimensions 12 volt, 1200 watt inverter charger. And L3 is the backboard. At the rear entry, you'll see that this truck has a flip-up step. The load height in this truck is 33 inches, and it also has a rear view camera. This truck has traditional cot plates, a left side attendant seat, has forward and aft work areas, here's a look at the power distribution quarters. Another look at the console. This truck also has a sliding door through the walkthrough. .0022 has a new HVAC system, as well as interior and exterior accessible ALS. Here is R4. And a look at the curbside. Outside ALS. And this truck has one battery in the battery tray and one under the hood. If you have any questions on truck number 0022, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.